Crazy Chef. This is the undefeated craziest burger ever. You got mac and cheese, bacon, you got vegetables, lettuce, tomato, you got a couple of eggs on there, and you got 4 burger patties. Unbelievable. Look at that mac and cheese. Look how that mac and cheese just sits on that burger. Look at that egg dripping. Crazy Chef, come back to the channel. Welcome back to the vibe. So today we're making a 10-pound burger stack. So it's 10 pounds of burger, 8 ounces of mac and cheese. This thing's gonna be huge. So the first thing we did is we put on some mac and cheese, burger stack, a couple strips of bacon right on there, and then we hit it with a burger bun. Then we put another burger. So we're stacking this thing all the way up. We put another burger, another 4 ounces of mac, and then we put another burger bun. So this thing is undefeated. Then we put another patty, so 1 more patty on there, a couple strips of bacon. This thing's unbelievable. Then we're gonna put some vegetables, so we're gonna hit it with, we put lettuce first. Always hit it with that lettuce, tomato vibe. So we hit it with some lettuce and tomato. Then we're gonna put another burger patty. Then we put another strip of bacon. We hit it with some more mac and cheese. Then we hit it with our egg. And then, here we go. Then we're gonna take our pick and we're gonna go right in the center of it. Straighten this bad boy out and all the way down. That's our undefeated. That's our burger. Oh my God. Crazy Chef. This is the undefeated craziest burger ever. You got mac and cheese, bacon, you got vegetables, lettuce, tomato, You got a couple of eggs on there, and you got 4 burger patties. Unbelievable. Look at that mac and cheese. Look how that mac and cheese just sits on that burger. Look at that egg dripping.